guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. Now this is also a highly requested video and not a sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. Now this is how JOMSO does its packaging, really good. I have done a lot of unboxing videos from JOMSO, so in case if you want to check that out, I'm going to give the link in the description box. So this is what I ordered. It's a floral embroidery net lehenga, and this is how they sent it. So this is the blouse fabric. They've attached it to the dupatta. So इसका जो fabric है, they've given like a Bangalore silk fabric. It's a little transparent, so you'll have to get a lining attached. Now ये है blouse का front part. They've given like a sweetheart neck and there's like embroidery design in the same peachish pink color. I think उन लोग इसमें थोड़ा mistake किया है, because I think they should have gone for like a orange or whitish kind of embroidery, because you can't see the embroidery at all. And जो embroidery work किया है बहुत ही अच्छा है. On the other side, if you see, stitching is very good, and back also they have given the same design, same embroidery design with the sweetheart neck, and they have given like 0.80 meter of fabric for the blouse, so it's like a standard size. So next let's see the dupatta fabric, because it is attached to the blouse. I thought I should show you guys the dupatta first. So they have given this beautiful golden lace, and on the other side if you see, the stitching is really good, very nice. And all throughout the body of the dupatta they have given this floral design thing in golden. Again guys, the finishing is really nice. On the other side, the stitchings, everything is really good, and the length of this is also good. It's not very short, and the fabric used here is net, and it's like pretty soft, not pricky, and it stays like the way you want it. Really nice, not at all stiff. The beauty of this dress or the choli is the lehenga. They have given this beautiful lace detail near the waist part, and the lace is the exact same one which they have given to the border of the dupatta. So, and because you can see the pleating over here, on the other side they have given elastic, so it's like a semi-stitched lehenga. On the other side the stitching is really good, and the fabric used here is net guys. They've given this orange net fabric, very beautiful. The pleating is really good, and they've given like a embroidery or motifs of this flower, so you can actually see this. And on the bottommost, this is how it looks. On the other side they've given a satin lining which is really soft, and the best thing again about this lehenga is that they've given a cancan, so you can skip wearing a cancan skirt underneath this, and this is going to fit someone up to 40 inches of waist size. Really good. I really like the fabric and the net. Coming to the comparison, the picture shown in the website and what I received is like exactly same, 100% same. The skirt, the motif designs, the embroidery work, everything is really good, and even the net fabric is very soft and nice, and I would like to rate it 5 out of 5 because it's really good. And the price of this originally was 3,490 rupees, and the discounted price is just 1,790. In case if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in the description box. You can check that out, or I'm going to give the product code as well. You can directly go to jomso.com and search for it. Now if you're new to my channel and if you don't know about JOMSO, let me tell you guys, you get all kind of Indian ethnic wear over here. They do have cash on delivery option, they do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and you need not worry about return because they have a very simple return policy, which is within 7 days of receiving the product, you will have to mail them and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.